Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking by On สวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่อง Home Cooking by On กันอีกแล้วนะคะ What is your favorite childhood dish? For me, my childhood dish would be an omelette. When I was young, when I was hungry, my mom always cooked this dish for me. This dish brings a lot of childhood memory for me, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Asian omelette. Let's get cooking. To make an omelette, you need some eggs, some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some onion, tomatoes, and a little bit of lemon. You might want to ask me, what can you put in an omelette? So I think you can put pretty much anything you like. In Asian omelette, you can put like this stuff in, or you can put some mince, for example, pork mince or chicken mince in as well. But in European countries, you might want to add cheese or ham or spinach. Pretty much anything you like. So I will put all the sauce in to the egg and a squeeze of lemon, but I will not whisk my egg just yet. So 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in, and you now start to whisk your eggs. Whisk your eggs first and wait until the oil is steaming hot before you pour the eggs in. So we use high heat for the omelette so that your eggs come very fluffy and crunchy on the outside. I think the oil is ready. Now we're gonna put the eggs in now. And I'm gonna sprinkle these tomatoes and onion in. So it looks nice golden brown on the outside. Let's turn it over again. And I think the egg is ready now. Time to plate up. So I will serve with the rice. There you have it, an Asian style omelette serving with rice. So if you miss out all the ingredients that I just said earlier, you can have a look down below and I'll show you all the collection of ingredients that you can add into your omelette. And if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.